Chef, tungayan natin yung ating key matchup between these two squads at gaya ng binanggit ko, yung dalawang bagong FSA yung nagpapasat. Bola mananatili sa paanig ng Diliman College. Slow assist, the steals. Matthew Calilong cover of the UCAL Vital Purified Drinking Water. The cut. Oh, the jam from Kingsley Anaba.
Grabe yung athleticism na pinapakita ni Anaba so far.
Throw it down with two hands, Kingsley Anaba. Let's take a look at this monster jam, the dunk of the game. Hatid sa atin ng Top Flight. And you said that 40-inch vertical coming into play for Kingsley Anaba. We have a timeout on the floor. Lamang ang PCU, 16-11. PCU Dasmariñas. Oh, the block!
Espinosa having a tough day here with this drive. Kala niya open na siya.
Pero lucky break.
Pero lucky break for him. Pero this is one guy who needs to step up. Para
Anaba, the fake. Oh, what composure there by Kingsley Anaba.
Good heads-up play there by Kingsley Anaba.
Dito ng mga naka-asul, Anaba second serving off two defenders and PCU with a 42-24 lead. PCU trying to increase their lead. Dino at the controls against Ken Lakibla. What a pocket pass! And a jam! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! See that not just once, probably not just twice, Coach.
Kung makikita mo doon sa replay na to, tinwist niya yung screen kaya nawala sa position itong si Kone. Kaya na-open yung drive to the basket for that slam.
That dunk of the game, courtesy of Top Flight. And Kingsley Anaba. Aranya rejecting the ball screen, attacks. That shot continue to turn the ball over. Kingsley Anaba, look out. No foul called. We play on. Anaba will slam it home with two hands.
Vengeance, my name is Kingsley Anaba. Hindi siya natawagan ng foul kanina.
Sa si Warren Villarta. But again, a look at this dunk of the game. Courtesy of Top Flight.
Grabe naman yung finish na yun. Galit na galit. Any offense kasi they're left with those half-hurried shots from outside.
Oh man, that's a good looking stroke.
Display any scoring prowess from the perimeter.
Actually, as a whole team, no? Itong PCU, nanlamig na dito. But Joshua Dino, guarded by Ken Lakibla. 7 seconds on their shot clock. Anaba showing his range.